Welcome back to today's episode where we go into the head section of a HTML document. So, what goes inside the head section? We know that the body section contains what the user sees. So, what then goes into the head section that no one else sees, only the browser can read? So, the head tag in the HTML is like the brain or the control center of the web page. It doesn't show up on the page directly, but it tells the browser how to behave and what to load. So remember our first HTML document where we displayed my first web page. Now I want us to focus on this section here where you have meta tags, a title tag, a link, and a script. Now the style, which is a link style sheet, tells the browser to load this script, and this script has attributes and properties that affect how the H1 tag would look like, how the P tag will appear, and you can in fact place your JavaScript within your body, maybe at the end of your body tag. That way, you know that your web page has in fact loaded. You can also place your JavaScript tag at the head section. So this is just a simple structure of how a web page source code looks like and what goes into the head section and how the content within the head section affects how the body, which is the web page that the user sees. So why is the head section important? So this is like your control center, like setting up the stage before the show happens, right? So your head section takes in links to scripts. So it connects external tools like CSS and JavaScript. It also helps with SEO, search engine optimization, mobile responsiveness, and browser behavior. Now, these are like key features that actually separate a website from having good experience and a website that has bad experience. The keynote to take away from this episode is that the head tag controls how your page works behind the scene because users don't actually see the content within the head section. Only your browser sees that. It helps browsers and search engines understand your site better, especially when you add meta descriptions describing what your web page is about. This helps search engines effectively shortlist your website when users use their search console to search for web content. The head section is the first place developers set up before adding visible content. So including basic meta tags and links is essential to have a fully professional website. So in the next episode, we are going to dive deeper into a real functioning web page where we have CSS and JavaScript all working together. Now I built a simple calculator that you could use to calculate equations related to mathematics.